Most open source models today are released with a MIT or a Apache license, which are generally like for the most part allows any builder to effectively do anything with the model. There may be like some stipulations on what you can do with the model. Like for example, if you're fine tuning the model, then you'll have to include like some level of credits or refer to the original model's name. So that way you can stay true to the initial model creator, right? Otherwise, open source contributions to these models are, pretty flexible. You can pretty much do anything with the model. And then like as history starts to pass by, you'll start to notice that like these model creators, because they're these model researchers and model creators, they're starting to be pressured a little bit more on how do they make money from open source AI. And so now you start to get into like little tricks on licensing. What you would do perhaps is that you would say that it's open source, modify the MIT license or the Apache license, and they'll say it's open source, except unless you're a business with like 10,000 different active users, then you'll have to pay us a license, right, to use our model and resell our model. And then it starts to become like these one-on-one transactional licensing out business where all these infrastructure providers may have to like license out the model in order to host and resell the model. You know, we think that generally speaking, when it comes to IP and licensing out, that kind of goes into transactional one-to-one business contracts. And we start to think more about kind of like, is there more scalable mechanisms to really license out or even codify who can use your model and who can't use your model?